Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Shamstoppers. And what we gonna talk about today: Virginia child support paperwork. Is it yours? And let's read our about section for our Shamstoppers YouTube. Y'all go to our about section if y'all haven't been. That's what it's for. All right. You gotta read, people. Okay. You see that? What does it say? You see that? See that shit? You've been warned. People been warned before they come over here with their little fucked up opinions. Opinions are feelings and emotions. Alright? And that's what it turns into. And men, see that? Now, it's a pussy suit. I'm gonna call out some of you fellas that need to put on a pussy suit. Alright? And you know who you are. This is dedicated to Virginia child support paperwork. For people putting up child support paperwork that's not even theirs. And they are accepting to do business with these people and admitting that they are not off of child support. Okay? That's what he needs to put on. Okay? Check this out. Look what I pulled up. People, you can go to the Virginia website and download their book. If you're gonna do this child support shit, at least know about what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Know what you're doing. Check this shit out. See all this shit? It's the district court judge's bench book. Y'all remember I used to do this shit a long time ago, right? Look at this shit. Look at that. Habeas corpus. You see that? They call you children in Virginia. If you got a child support case in the juvenile domestic relations arena, you are a child. You're not a grown-up. Look at that. Oh, some feelings about to get hurt. I'd like to give a shout out to my man G. He looked up some paperwork. You know what I'm saying? He looked up some paperwork and man, some funny shit, man. People up here putting up shit, don't know what the fuck they putting up. Look at that. Service of process. Look at all the shit that they give you. They know you niggas ain't gonna read that shit. Look at that. Commonwealth. Pfft. Nigga don't even know about common law. His own fucking state don't even know about it. Boy, that's sad. God damn. Look at that, man. Look at all this shit, man. I'm not even gonna break this shit down. Proof of service. Look at that shit. Look at that. Proceedings and reduce arrears to money judgments. Contempt considerations. You see that shit? Has the person charged received proper notice? Charged what? Look at that. Contempt requires careful analysis and deliberation. The judge must consider each of the following in determining contempt cases. Okay? Is the alleged form of contempt civil or criminal? Wow. See that shit? People, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Something for the ones who think you in competition with us. We ain't in no type of competition whatsoever. And while you sitting waiting on us, you just falling behind. Deep, deep, deep into the doo-doo. Okay? Look at that shit. Ooh, wee, man. Look at this shit here, man. Boy, boy, boy. All this shit weight and gold. Look at that. Responded in a non-support case. Look at that. They don't even read this shit. Put up a black law dictionary, don't even know what the fuck it is. Didn't even Tim try to break this down with the... Woo! Man, we got some silly ass people in this world, man. Look at this shit, man. Oh, they really about to get mad in a little bit. Look at that. Disobedience of court orders by juveniles. Motherfucking juveniles trying to teach child support. Don't pull up none of this shit. Look at that. Now let's go to this paperwork. Oh, ooh, look at this shit. Look at this shit, man. That's the paperwork the young man put up saying he got off of child support. Well, it's time to see why he is telling falsehoods, people. Let's get down to it. And look. And you can look at his page at the bottom. It's a DC Form 481. Alright? Case to show cause. And look, all the numbers telling you what it means. See that? Now, let's go to number 12. Let me turn this camera. See that? Failure to appear may result in being jailed or fined. Let's see what number 12 say. Say date issued. Date issued, right? 13. Signature and title of issuer. Wasn't no title. Wasn't no, you can't tell who it was. This number 6. Be imprisoned. Let's see what number 6 mean. Check if imprisonment is requested. Okay, that's what that mean. Now, let's keep going. This is where the real meat and potatoes gets here. Number 10. You ready for number 10? This is what number 10 says. Check if the charge is dismissed with the box indicating whether the charge is dismissed or whether or with or without prejudice. It didn't say case dismissed, did it? No, it did not. No. We got a testimony coming up tonight, and we're going to show you what that shit says. We have we have 3 testimonies, matter of fact. All right? 3 testimonies. You can download that paper. It's a DC 481. You go read what all this shit say. All right? And then on this side, it has, you know, all that good shit. Let me see. This information right here. That's all it has. Summons disresponded. Right? And then they got the reasons why. Okay? So, people, don't be fooled. We got enough fools on YouTube already. But you see for yourself, right? He's holding his paperwork. He's accepted that he's on child support. He agrees to these people's terms and conditions. Then if you go to his phone call, the woman ain't say nothing about getting his case dismissed. Then he had to cut it off. No, my brother, your case is not dismissed. It's still open. If it's dismissed, show everybody the case number so you can be valid. You know what I'm saying? This is about you now. This isn't about Shamstoppers, because we have testimonies, we have discharges and warrants, dismissals and all that. Okay? Where's your proof? All right? Where is your proof, my brother? You know who I'm talking to? Sit down. Stop it. Okay? I'm gonna break Virginia. I'm really gonna go in and do a whole educational show on Virginia. Okay? You should have a dismissal paper. It says case closed and all that. Show us something that says case closed. That's what we want to see. You still on this dismissal phase, all right? Get to the case closed phase and termination. And then we can determine if you, who you say you are, and that you can do what you say you can do. Peace.